Today, I'm going to teach you how to enable dark mode in GitHub. This is a great way to reduce eye strain, especially if you're coding late at night or prefer a darker interface for extended work sessions. First, open your web browser and navigate to github.com. Once you're on the homepage, log in using your credentials. After logging in, you'll be directed to your GitHub dashboard where you can access all your repositories and account settings. Now look towards the upper right corner of the screen where you'll see your profile avatar. This is typically a circular image that represents your account. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear with various options for managing your account. From this menu, select Settings. This will take you to the main settings page where you can customize numerous aspects of your GitHub experience. Once you're in the settings area, turn your attention to the left sidebar. This sidebar contains a list of different setting categories that control everything from your profile information to security features. Locate and click on Appearance. This section is specifically designed for customizing the visual aspects of your GitHub interface. In the appearance settings, you'll see a section labeled Theme Mode. This is where GitHub allows you to control how the interface looks, including light and dark options. By default, GitHub usually displays in light mode, but we're about to change that. Within the Theme Mode section, you'll notice different theme options available. First, look for the light theme area and click on the button labeled Dark Default. This action switches your GitHub interface from light mode to dark mode instantly. You should see the page refresh with a darker color scheme that's easier on the eyes. After enabling the dark theme, navigate to the dark themes section below. Here, GitHub offers several variations of dark mode to suit different preferences. You'll see multiple options presented as clickable circles, each representing a different dark theme variation. Click on the circle next to your preferred dark theme option. This allows you to customize the exact shade and style of dark mode you want to use, whether you prefer a true black background or a softer dark gray tone. And that's it. You've successfully enabled dark mode in GitHub and customized it to your liking. Your interface will now display with your chosen dark theme, making it more comfortable for extended coding sessions. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.